So recently the Australian government has released a COVID-19 movement tracking app on the Play Store. So I'm curious to see if we can actually find it. COVID-19 Australia, Coronavirus Australia. No, this is an information application, not quite what we want. COVIDSafe. So I'm curious with this to see, well, as you can see, it's been released by the Australian Department of Health. I am curious when I go to install it to see whether or not, or see what it's actually requesting. I'm assuming it's going to request network access once it's installed, but from there, I'm curious whether or not it's actually going to ask for even more from there. Is it going to ask for messages? Go. COVIDSafe has been developed by the Australian government to keep the community safe from the spread of the coronavirus. COVIDSafe will securely record contacts that you've had with other users of the app. This will allow state and territory health officials to contact you if you've been in close contact with someone that's tested positive. So sure, want to help? So it essentially uses Bluetooth and pings local close range areas. That's fair enough. Must be over the age of 16. I did hear that this was actually meant to be saving its data to Australian servers, not being sold to a cheaper bidder. So I will enter my details, but I will fast forward this in the footage. Select postcode to your mobile number. Now a pin's getting sent to me. So you do have to enter your mobile phone number, and from there you'll get a code sent back to your phone. Which I am curious how quickly that will actually happen. Still waiting, still waiting. Nearly been about 30 seconds now, still nothing. Go resend to see if that will actually do anything. As I'm tapping on resend, nothing's actually getting acknowledged. Go back, get pin, try it again that way. There we go. 868117. SMS from Ozgov. Now, COVIDSafe needs Bluetooth and notifications enabled to work. Select proceed. It requires to have a Bluetooth, so network control or permissions, location permissions, and battery optimizer permissions. Allow. Location. Stop optimizing battery usage. I would say that's purely for fairly aggressive phones that do kill a lot of background activity, that this will enable it to stay constantly going rather than actually getting killed in the background when your phone's been turned or in sleep for too long. So the actual requirements of it I'm pretty happy with. They seem to be pretty legitimate. I was curious whether or not it will ask for message permission or contact permission, but so far no. So I'd say that will just permanently run in the background. Now, I was talking to my wife about this the other night, and she was saying that there was a permanent notification saying it was actually running. So I've got COVIDSafe is scanning to keep you safe. Restart phone if this notification disappears. So it should be when that notification disappears, it is no longer active. So far for the time being, I'm pretty happy to have that on my personal phone. I don't see that being an issue. especially for the simple fact of the greater good. But anyway, just a quick overview of the COVIDSafe app. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.